For regular tech updates and to support this channel, please click below on this button to subscribe, and to get instant notification of the new videos uploaded on this channel, click on this bell button.
Hi, in today's video I'll be doing slightly unusual comparison between two phones. One is Honor 7X versus Samsung Galaxy Note 8. My name is Rakesh and you're watching Tech Today. So in this video, we'll be doing the speed test between these two phones, and let's see if Samsung Note 8 can outperform this Huawei's Honor 7X. I'm sure it'll be very interesting competition. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So as I said, it is an unusual comparison. We are trying to compare a giant with a miniature. And let's see how does this miniature performs in front of the giant. Alright, let's restart both the phones and see which one boots up faster. The display has gone off on both the phones simultaneously, but we have got Honor logo on the 7X first, followed by Samsung. And the boot up animation has already started on Note 8. Seven X has won this battle by almost half a second. Let's try to launch the camera here. As expected, Note 8 has launched the camera faster. 7X has taken a little too extra to launch the camera. What about the Chrome browser? Let's try it. 7X is the winner in this case. Let's try it with Play Store application. Opened on Note 8 first, but loaded by 7X first. Note 8 is still loading some of the applications. Let's try it with YouTube application. Oops, 7X. 7X is playing like a hidden warrior here. Let's test it with Google application. To my surprise, again, 7X has loaded it faster. Let's test it with Google Maps. Again, 7X has opened the application faster, but Note 8 has loaded the content slightly faster. Alright, let's clear all the apps from the history. And let's do the supreme test. I'm launching Asphalt 8 on both the phones. And you can see here, Note 8 has maintained its dignity, beaten 7X hands-on. Alright, let's try it with some other game. I'm launching this Hill Climb Racing 2 on both the phones. As expected, Note 8 has launched this game faster. But the story is slightly different in this case. The Traffic Rider game is launched by 7X faster than the Note 8. Alright, let's test it with settings. I guess both of them have launched settings at the same time. 7X is faster to launch the dialer app. This time, both the phones have launched the Play Store at the same time. Alright, now we'll try to download, install and launch a game simultaneously on both the phones, and let's see which one does it better. Here I'm testing it with Subway Surfer game. Here I'm fast forwarding at the installation process. Now we are at the normal speed. The installation is completed on 7X, but the Note 8 is still installing the application. Alright, let's launch the game now. Note 8 has done it at the end. So at overall level, I'm not saying that Note 8 is a slower phone than Honor 7X, but definitely Honor 7X is a snappier phone. I'm shocked, and I'm sure you would have also got surprised by seeing this comparison. This comparison was not done to downgrade this Note 8. It is still my favorite phone, but just to tell you what is the potential of this Huawei's Honor 7X. That's it in this video. I hope you would have liked it. And if you have really did, you know what is to be done. Hit that like button, share with your friends. Until now, if you have not subscribed our channel, hit that red button which is given below in this video. And of course, don't forget to hit that bell icon which will give you instant notifications of the videos which we keep on uploading on our channel. Thanks for watching Tech Today.